Angkatan Udara Ukraina ternyata masih memiliki 3 jet tempur. Namun 3 pesawat tempur ini ditembak jatuh tentara Rusia pada tanggal 25 Maret. Demikian keterangan resmi Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini. Rusia juga meluncurkan rudal jelajah dari Angkatan Laut. Pada hari tanggal 25 Maret, rudal jelajah berbasis laut presisi tinggi kaliber menghancurkan gudang amunisi dan senjata di dekat Velikiye Korovitsi, wilayah Zhytomyr. Juga, rudal jelajah presisi tinggi Onyx menghancurkan pangkalan bahan bakar di dekat Nikolaev, dari mana bahan bakar dipasok ke pengelompokan AFU di bagian selatan Ukraina, kata juru bicara Kemenhan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konashenkov. Pada siang hari, operasional taktis dan penerbangan militer menghantam 117 fasilitas militer Ukraina. Di antaranya 6 pos komando, 3 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 1 sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300, 9 depot senjata dan amunisi dan 2 depot bahan bakar, serta 92 titik kuat unit AFU, Batalion Nasionalis, dan area konsentrasi peralatan militer. Sistem pertahanan udara Rusia menembak jatuh 3 pesawat Ukraina, 2 Su-25 dan 1 Su-24, serta 6 kendaraan udara tak berawak di udara di atas Vyshnevoye. Selain itu, 1 kompleks rudal taktis Tokau dihancurkan di dekat Vasilevka. Secara total, 267 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 207 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 1.618 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 166 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 662 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 1.453 unit kendaraan militer khusus angkatan bersenjata Ukraina hancur selama operasi, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
And on its reserves. During the day of March 25, Caliber high-precision sea-based cruise missiles destroyed ammunition and weapons depot near Veliki Korovnitsy, Zhytomyr region. Also, Onyx high-precision cruise missile destroyed fuel base near Nikolaev, from which fuel was supplied to the armed forces of Ukraine grouping in the southern part of Ukraine. During the day, operational tactical and army aviation hit 117 military facilities of Ukraine, among them 6 command posts, 3 multiple launch rocket systems, 1 S-300 anti-aircraft missile system, 9 weapons and ammunition depots, and 2 fuel depots, as well as 92 strong points of the armed forces of Ukraine units, nationalist battalions, and areas of military equipment concentration. Russian air defense systems shot down 3 Ukrainian aircraft, 2 Su-25 and 1 Su-24, as well as 6 unmanned aerial vehicles in the air over Vyshnevoye. In addition, 1 .U tactical missile complex was destroyed near Vasilievka. In total, 267 unmanned aerial vehicles, 207 anti-aircraft missile systems, 1,618 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 166 multiple launch rocket systems, 662 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,453 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.